Hey, welcome my dear students. My name is Mohammad Faizan, and in this series I am going to teach you about the point of sale system with barcode. Yes, in this series you will learn about the barcode, how can we use barcode with point of sale system. So in my previous series I have taught about the point of sale system, but in this series I am going to use all the latest thing like PHP 8 and MySQL and Bootstrap. All the latest version I will use in this series, and I will teach you how can we generate a barcode for a specific product in point of sale system, how can we generate, how can we print, and how can we add in our product. And I will also teach you about the billing. I will teach you how can we print out the bill receipt using of thermal printer in this series. So all the modules you can see in my profile and this on this course description. And now in this lecture I am going to download the AdminLte dashboard. So this dashboard we will use in our series. This dashboard is based on the Bootstrap 4 and is the latest version of AdminLte, but this time the Bootstrap 5 is already in the market, but we are going to use Bootstrap 4 because that is the stable version of Bootstrap, and we will use PHP 8 in our project. Okay, so let's open our Google Chrome, and here I can search AdminLte, and you can see here the first link, adminlte.io. Let's open this and we can go on the download button. Okay, and you can see AdminLte v3.2.0. this is the latest version. Okay, and you can see here the version 3.1.0. so every version is here on the github.com, but we are going to download the latest version of AdminLte. So click here, AdminLte version 3.2.0, and now we can download here from here source code zip file. Click here and you can see here the download is a start. So open this and show in folder, and which folder is downloaded. Let me see. You can see here I'm using here window 11, not window 10. Okay, so don't be confused. And let's open our browser and let's go to the download, and in the download you can see here, so it is downloaded successfully. Okay, now click on show in folder. You can see here in download the AdminLte dashboard. Let's copy from here. Let's copy from here, Ctrl+C, and let's paste on the desktop. Okay, you can see here. Okay, I hope this is enough in this video. I will show you this AdminLte dashboard in next video. So see you in next video.